Yahoo Finance officially naming its 2019 Company of the Year, and the winner is Target. Shares of Target are trading higher, nearly 90% since January, as the company continues to successfully navigate the competitive retail sector. Brian, you actually say Target's story is a fair retail, but a good retail, fairy tale.
Yeah, what we've seen from Target, Adam, what we've seen from Target this year is definitely not the norm in retail. You have Amazon, you have Walmart. So I was actually in Minneapolis. I sat down with Target CEO Brian Cornell and asked him how he has made the magic this year come to life.
I think the big difference, and I've talked a lot about the investments we made, and you brought us back to February of 2017. The single most important investment we made was in our team. And I think what brings our brand to life are those team members who each and every day are out there interfacing with our guests. And it's the magic in our business model, where we've invested in our team. We took a very bold stance with our starting minimum wage. And back on that day of February of 2017, I said, we're going to move to a starting minimum wage of $15 by 2020. It's allowed us to attract and retain great talent. We make a major investment in training and development, and we're attracting the best team in retail. So what's different about our model is it's all about our stores and our team. So you think about the growth we've seen in digital. Well, most of that digital fulfillment happens in a physical store like this one. Whether it's order online and picking up, and there's a Target member waiting for you, or driving into one of our 1,700 parking lots, and within 2 minutes, one of our team members walks out to your car and says, thank you for shopping. And the kids are still in their car seats, getting ready to drive home. Most of our fulfillment takes place in that back room where we pick, prep, and pack and ship from that local store to your home. And we're in everybody's neighborhood, so it's quick and easy. So the investment we've made in our team and the belief that today's consumer still values that human touch, I think that's what sets us apart from many of our competitors.
Brian, I have to say that really resonates with me, because as someone who still goes to some bricks and mortar stores, the places that A, are adequately staffed, and B, have an enthusiastic staff really stand out. I think of Trader Joe's, first of all. I was in an Apple store this weekend also. And not only do you have a lot of people on the floor in these stores, but they seem genuinely pleased to be there. Whereas you walk into a Gap, in contrast, there's nobody there, and they don't seem too psyched.
Or JCPenney,
Right.
or Macy's. There are entire counters now at these department stores that have had to cut back on costs, and it's hurting customer service. Now, Target will hit about $15 an hour per worker in 2020. And you go around the stores, they're well staffed, but they're also very knowledgeable. They've also changed the staffing model to start having more employees have ownership of their departments, and it's paid off in a big way.
When we talk about their earnings and the huge increase in digital with pickup at the store, I think it was 38% last time or 41%. Both Walmart and Target are scoring big on that. But we don't know the percentage of revenue that represents. When are shareholders going to demand that so we can put it into context?
I've been wanting that number, and I'm sure a lot of people on Wall Street have wanted that number for years. Don't expect it anytime soon. And the common argument with retailers is that, how do we break it out? If we place something online, you pick it up in a store, is that an online sale? Now, obviously, within the books and the confines of the company, they are breaking out. I just wouldn't expect a lot of the big name retailers to break out their online sales anytime soon. It has to happen, though, eventually, though.
It will, yeah.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.